So you might be in a random situation where for some reason your TikTok rewards aren't working. So your TikTok rewards, for that matter, aren't working in this particular situation. Now, to go ahead and fix this, the first thing I'd recommend doing is to go ahead and just make sure that your TikTok has been updated to a more recent version of software. So what you can do here is you can go ahead and open up your App Store, just like so. And what you want to do is you want to go and click on the App Store right at the bottom, and you want to search up for TikTok. So go and search up TikTok, and you just want to make sure your application has been updated. If your application has not been updated in a while, that can sometimes cause some issues. So I recommend going right into here and essentially updating your application. So like I said before, this can probably end up fixing the problem for a lot of people, and that's essentially what I'd recommend doing in your particular situation as well. So try updating it, and you want to see if that ends up working. Now, sometimes TikTok can have some really random issues that have nothing to do with you. So what you can try doing here is you can try seeing if TikTok is actually down. So you can do this by going over to a website like downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com, one of those types of websites. And what's going to happen here is it's going to show you essentially all the services that are up and down. So what you can do here is when you come here, you'll basically see all of these problems and these outages. All you're going to have to do is go and see if TikTok is on here. If TikTok is down and if it's on here, you're essentially just going to have to wait it out until they end up fixing the problem. So go through here, see if TikTok is down, and that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. So if that's still not working, you may want to try signing out of your TikTok application and signing back in, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem too. So those are kind of the main things to end up doing here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.